Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can add um, these fonts in OnlyOffice. So pretty simple but really useful if we want something special, not this uh, ordinary fonts right in here. Now basically we need to install the fonts. So I'm using now fonts.google.com. Right here you will select which font you want. So I will go with this funny one right here and click on the right side here, get font, and I will download this one right now. Now it's downloaded. I will open up. And as you can see, now we can click on this TrueType font file, click on it, and just simply here install. Now this font will install in our system. I think it is now. So we need to now to memorize this name. So I will close that one right now and go back to Office right here. And it will be right over here. Now I just need to refresh my okay. Now I just need to refresh my offices. So now that I refresh my document, I can now search for my font. So I will type in as you can see right here, Kablamo, this one. So we have it now in our system and it's right over here. So it looks pretty fun. And this is how you can install font in OnlyOffice. Pretty simple, pretty fast. At the end, you just need to refresh and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.